Welcome back to our channel. Our mom has a fun project for us to do today.
So for this project, you're going to need some peas. These are sugar snap peas. We have 4 peas, so 1 pea for every kid. And you need some paper towel, a jar, and some water.
Okay.
So Hailey's actually the one who came up with this. She doesn't even know it. Do you remember what you asked me the other day when we planted some of these outside? What did you ask me? You said, are they growing yet? Do you remember when you asked me that? So what we're going to do is find out what the peas are doing under the ground. Because they are growing, but we can't see them yet. Because it takes them a while because they have to grow roots under the ground. So, everyone, get a jar.
Apple.
Kaden, would you please fill each jar about this full to the bottom of the...
Could I use Levi's?
You need to fill every single jar.
I know, I need to use Levi's because his is
Okay, let him use it, please.
I know, I'm gonna
You will.
It's yours.
He's just filling it up.
He's giving it back.
So,
The first line.
first,
The first line.
warm or cold?
Any.
This
doesn't matter.
one little baby.
That's good.
That's way too high. It's like on the second line.
Oh yeah, that is way too high. Alright, now just pour that in. Pour it into the next one.
And give it right back to me. Nope, I'm
He's gonna borrow yours for all of them. Please, can I take your baby for a minute so we don't get over it?
But she wants to be the baby.
Hand him yours, Hannah, so you can get some water.
And then we I'm the silly one to get some water.
Yeah, because we're using your jar to measure. What do you think is going to happen with the peas?
Me?
What do you think will happen first? Yes, Levi.
Well, roots.
You think roots will grow first? Do you think anything else will happen to it?
It grows for an hour. Except it's so much under the ground.
Yeah, we can't see them yet. The ones we planted outside. You want to tell them what we planted today?
Beans and carrots.
All right, we're ready for step number 2. So step number 1, you need to fill your jar about an inch full. Step number 2, let me show you. You guys are going to do this step yourself. You roll up your paper towel like this, and then you place it in your jar.
That's mine.
I'll let you do it yourself. You place it in your jar and release it so that it pops open a little and let it go all the way down to the bottom of the jar, okay?
What if it just floats up?
It won't. I don't think it will. Just try it in. Do you want help, Hannah?
Could you help? I need help.
No, you can do it yourself.
Okay. It's your science project. Well, I don't even have to be doing this video.
Here you go, Hannah.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Okay.
Put it down in. And watch what happens. The water goes up, up, up. Good job, Hailey.
It's too. It does. That's awesome.
Okay. Now we need it
The
to be
water's
touching.
coming up.
Uh-huh.
It's almost coming up.
All right, I'm going to grab a spoon.
It's almost coming up.
All right.
It's almost coming up. Oh, and we're going to place it down in the middle of there, right?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we need to make sure that your paper towel is touching the side because it's not working. Maybe if we cut this, that'll be good.
Cut what?
Add scissors. Oh, you're going to need scissors. Cut this so your paper towel can... You see what I mean? It's not...
You'll have to cut lower. Yep, pull it out and cut below. Cover your mouth, buddy.
Oh my gosh. This isn't working.
You should use the measuring.
Maybe I should have used a cup that didn't have this lip.
You could use those small cups we have.
Well, then we'd have like my donkey. Yeah, start it all over. Is this working? Oh, that's it. Is this working?
Seemed like an easy project.
Is this working? Turn it off. Turn it off. Cut.
So, scratch what we said about leaving it long. You're gonna need a short one. So go ahead and cut your paper towels this little. So Kaden, you go ahead and show them how to do it over there, and I'll cut. Hannah's is ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So is that about 3 inches tall? Okay. So just take
About
your
4
paper
inches.
towel. Because of this curve, it wasn't letting it expand all the way. So you'll want your paper towel to be about this tall.
1.5. And so we will 1.5.
Let me see, Hannah. You want the paper towel to be stuck against the side like this one.
Mommy. Yeah, 1.5. It's 1.5.
Why are mine not working? Okay, Ryan's gonna show you all.
2 hands, 2 fingers. And 1 hand and cut. Cut.
All right, and yours to Dad so he can help you with that part.
Wet.
Here, try again, Kaden.
Try again.
Oh my gosh, I just keep getting arms. No, we're gonna keep using that one. It's okay to show them when projects don't work out.
It's part of being a scientist.
It's important to show them that it doesn't always work out on the first try, right?
Cut, 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 cut. I'm saying that one,
So,
Daddy.
Let me see yours, Levi.
Careful with your jars. Go ahead and cut it, Kaden.
This is mine forever. This is mine forever.
So you leave it a little looser, is that? So instead of rolling it so tight, I rolled mine too tight. If you leave it a little looser, it'll be better. I think Kaden might need a little help.
Let me help that, buddy.
Okay.
You see the
Now
scissors?
yours goes up and mine goes
Here, I'll
down.
cut you a piece real quick.
That goes up, that goes down. You're gonna put yours up and put yours up.
Careful with your jars, they are glass.
I know, but Hannah's not putting it up. And I putting it down.
No, Hannah, no.
Oh, Jesus. Just leave it like that, Jesus.
No, it won't work if you leave it like that.
I'm running like that. It won't work.
Oh, I'm cutting Kaden's head off. Sorry.
Did you just say what I think you just
Yeah, your head was getting cut off in the film up here.
said? Well, I'm down here, so we can't always see me. On my knees. This won't go on the side.
That's good, Kaden. Ah, stop.
That worked as magic. I can't. Could you help me? Magic.
I wonder if you put the paper towel in first and then put the water in. I bet you that would work better. So, for anyone watching this, try and put the paper towel in first and then put the water in. That might work better.
Yeah. Like down middle, it would all get wet.
step. We're all ready with our stuff. Hand us our mishaps. Kaden, hand me your...
Can I have my bean?
Yes, it's time to... It's a pea. It's not a bean. I don't know. Are peas a part of the bean family? That's a good question.
Yeah. Dad's just nodding his head.
All right. You each get your pea.
Yeah. I need my pea. It's a pea. It's a dry pea.
Don't put it in yet. It is dry. Can you observe your pea? What does it look like?
It looks like a shriveled up prune.
Let's see it,
A little
Kaden.
bit bumpy.
It's a pea. Looks like a prune. It's a
All right.
dry pea.
Here's what you're going to do with your pea. You're going to slip it in between very carefully into there, okay?
Okay. Into where?
In between. Oops. Not there.
You want it to go right on the inside over here, okay?
On the inside, in between the paper towel and the jar. You
Yep.
can use a spoon if you need. Like that.
Like this?
There. See?
Like this?
Uh-oh, Levi's had a mishap there.
Okay. Let me help you out.
Can you help Hannah out, Kaden?
Oh, good. Kaden got his to work. What is going on with this project?
It's easy.
Oh, okay.
It's hot.
Okay, we're going to try with the dry jar first. Okay, we're leaving Hailey's there. It's a little bit lower than I wanted it, but it's okay. Can you hand me those scissors?
Hannah had my snap. Hers has a hole at the bottom.
Get it out with a spoon so you don't knock the
It's right
paper
here.
towel over. Okay.
Mom,
All right, I'm putting this in the jar dry first to see if this is more helpful.
me too.
No, don't dump yours out. Yours is done. Get her bean out, or pea, they're not beans. Get it out with a spoon, please.
It's out.
Oh, it is? Okay then, just wait for my help unless you can do it. You got it? All right, the paper towel's in for this one. I'm just showing him how to do it another way. That's probably better. Okay.
Is this walking?
Hand me your pea.
Get
Hand
it?
me your pea. Did you get it in, Kaden?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, I'll show him this part close up. So grab your paper towel, slide it in there.
Hello.
Okay. There.
Hello.
All right, everyone. What do you think? We will make another video showing what happens in 24 hours, okay?
Hello.
Can you show us your jars? Caden's worked the best.
Adios. And mine.
And what you want to make sure is that you always have water in the bottom so that the paper towel can suck up that water. What's wrong? All right. Anything you'd like to say to your followers?
Adios. Adios.
Adios. Science later.
Adios, science later. Adios. 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 Adios, science later.